everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 167, and in this episode, we are gonna talk about why should you start believing in your life.
Never listen to any advices. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start.
Every time, every day, you have to have confidence on yourself. Your confidence is always very important, and that's the reason you should never fail to believe in your vision, your idea, your entire life goal, or your mission. People will talk to you and try to discourage you. They will ask you, are you sure you want to do this? Are you sure that this is gonna work? Are you sure that waiting for this particular thing is really important? Do you think that you can ever win just by doing this in your entire life? People will ask you that this is the only thing that they can do, and they have no idea what you are going through in your entire life. And that is something like they don't even know what you're trying to do, and they feel like they just try to discourage you and they will try to demotivate you. But at that particular time, you just have to remember that it is your life, it is your decision to be in your to do what you really love about, and the patience that you have for your entire goal, that drives you. That is more than important other than people talking to you. You know, many people, it has happened to me, and it might have happened to you too. So many people, they might tell you that what are the things that you can never do in your entire life, rather than what are the things that you can ever do in your life. Probably every person that you really talk in this entire world, they might tell you that a mediocre life, everyone can do that. You can just go get a job, you can just go get a go buy a home, go buy a car. But nobody else tells you that what is your ability, what is your talent, what is that one thing that you are really interested in. And at the same time, you need to remember that it's not their responsibility to discover what are you capable of, what are you really interested in. It is your responsibility to work on that particular thing, and it is your responsibility to show the entire world that this is what I am capable of. So try doing that each and every day. No matter whatever happens, it's your life. You need to understand that you need to work on it, you need to do that. Whatever that happens, you might feel so low today, but the consistency that you really have for your work, that is really important. And believe in yourself, guys. Believe is the most powerful word that I have ever heard. So the patience and the belief that you have in your goal, for your goal, that is really important than any other people who are just trying to discourage you. Shout out in this episode is for Capsules for Life. So Capsules for Life is a great motivational page. You make sure you guys go check them out and follow them on Instagram. It's a great motivational page. I have seen their post. It's completely valuable, guys. I highly recommend you guys to check out their Instagram profile. Even though if you feel like you don't want to follow someone, just try to check it out, and it might take some 20 seconds or 30 seconds to check someone's profile. And if you find some value out of their profile, it's something that is very important to just give them a comment or just give them a follow. That means so much to those people. And your guys, I mean, those people who just comment, you guys mean a world to me. Why? Is because you guys take some 10 seconds, 15 seconds extra time just to comment on my particular episode, just to comment on my particular videos. You guys mean a world to me. Why? Is because you guys share tons of knowledge to me, and I really feel like I want to share more knowledge with you. And someone who just don't want to record something on a camera, you guys can drop that as a comment. And it's quite good when you just communicate with me, and I highly appreciate you guys. And I get to learn a lot about this world when people just drop me a comment. And yeah, it's me signing off from Contra Podcast. Until then, meet me in my next podcast. See you guys at the top. Bye bye.